Here's one of the easiest ways to start making some extra cash in 2024 with barely any time or money. Come with me. We're halfway through January, and I'm sure you've already burned a lot of cash on drop shipping courses and whatever else you've tried. So now we're gonna try print on demand. I'm gonna lay out 3 simple steps for you guys to follow that have 0 risk. Step 1, you're gonna go to canva.com to create a design. I'm gonna use this pre-made template just to show you guys. Next, you're gonna go to printify.com and open up a free account. To make this as easy as possible for you guys, I put the Printify sign up link in my link in bio, so you can just find it right there. And step 3, you're gonna go to etsy.com and open up your own Etsy store. Once you're in Printify, you're gonna scroll down onto the trending items. I'm gonna pick this one here, the coffee mug. And you'll see here how I can incorporate my design right onto the mug. Click Start Designing, go back to Canva, hit Share, download your design. Then take this design and drag it right onto the mug. You can switch the background color to make it match. And there's the final product, guys. It's so easy. Once your product's finished, you just integrate your Printify account into your Etsy store, which is easy as the click of a button. And then whenever a customer makes an order, Printify just ships the product directly to them, so you don't ever have to even hold it in your hand. And you definitely never have to order any inventory and spend any money up front either. So ultimately, you have nothing to lose by trying this. And just to hook you guys up even more, I made a deal with Printify to give all my followers a discount on products so you guys can make more profit when selling. Just click wallet and payments and then scroll down to Printify Premium and enter this code PAULIE30. As you see with this Printify Premium discount, you'll make an extra $1.70 per coffee mug. We're already halfway through the first month of 2024. If you haven't started making extra cash yet, give this a shot because you literally have nothing to lose from it. And as you see, this is super easy to set up. If you just devote a couple hours the first day to setting up all your accounts in your stores, integrating everything and making a product, you could just sit back at that point and let the sales start rolling in. Print on demand is one of the biggest life hacks of 2024. So give it a shot and see what happens.